So what is FIRC? We'll start. वापस से करते हैं. रुक जाओ. भूल गई. अरे यार. Oh my god, this is so complicated. Hi everyone. If you are a freelancer, business owner, or anyone receiving international business payments, there is one document that you absolutely need to know about. FIRC, Foreign Inward Remittance Certificate. Over the years, regulations around FIRC have changed significantly, creating mystery and confusion around this important document. So today, we are going to break it down for you. By the end of this video, you will know what it is, why is it crucial, and how to get it easily. So let's dive in. So what is FIRC? Foreign Inward Remittance Certificate is a document issued by Indian banks to confirm that you've received a foreign payment in your Indian bank account. Essentially, it serves as proof of your international income. Whether you're an exporter, freelancer, or contractor receiving international payments, FIRC is crucial for compliance and claiming tax benefits. Until 2016, banks used to issue FIRC for all the international payments. But there's more to the story. Until recently, FIRCs were crucial to every cross-border payment. But in 2016, the RBI introduced the Export Data Processing and Monitoring System, or EDPMS, to digitize all the export-related data. And this brought significant changes. Under the new guidelines, banks stopped issuing FIRCs for payments related to the export of goods and started issuing FIRAs instead. It's called Foreign Inward Remittance Advice. It's also known as FIRS, Foreign Inward Remittance Statement, or BIRC, Bank Inward Remittance Certificate. These serve the same purpose of confirming foreign payments and claiming export benefits and GST refunds. FIRCs are now issued by banks only for specific financial transactions, such as receiving inward remittance from FDI or FII. For all the other export collections, FIRA or BIRC is what you need. Although FIRA has replaced FIRC for most of the export-related collections, FIRC is still commonly used. For clarity, we'll use FIRC throughout this video, but it refers to FIRA in general export context. So, who actually needs FIRC? Here's the list. Indian exporters receiving international payments, Indian service providers working with overseas clients, remote contractors and freelancers getting paid in foreign currency, and freelancers using marketplaces like Upwork and TopTal. So, why do Indian exporters need FIRC? Beyond compliance, FIRC is crucial for these reasons. Number one, zero-rated supply. Goods or services exported are classified as zero-rated supplies if the payment is received in foreign currency. FIRA is the only document which confirms the payment in forex. Number two, GST refunds. However, to claim a GST refund for input tax credit, one must furnish their FIRC. Number three, incentives. Export-related schemes offer tax exemptions and benefits, but only if you have FIRC. Find the link to some popular schemes in the description. Now, who will provide FIRC? FIRCs are issued by AD Category 1 banks. You can contact your bank to receive your FIRC after you've received your foreign payment. Alternatively, you can use platforms like Skydo to receive FIRC instantly after every payment. This is a sample document of FIRC, and these are the content of FIRC. Now, how to get your FIRC? Receiving your export payments directly through banks can make obtaining an FIRC a lengthy process. You need to submit a request to the bank, and the bank typically takes 7 to 15 days to provide the FIRC. You may also need to follow up with your bank multiple times, and banks charge up to ₹500 to issue the FIRC. But here's the good news. Skydo eliminates these challenges. With Skydo, getting an FIRC is instant, free, and seamless. Here's how. Zero fees. Unlike banks, Skydo provides this service at no extra cost. Secondly, user-friendly access. Simply go to the Skydo dashboard and download your FIRC instantly. There's no follow-ups, no documentations, and more importantly, no delays. Finally, let's address the difference between FIRC and EBRC. While the FIRC validates and confirms the export payments, the BRC acts as a second step by confirming that the payments received corresponds to the goods exported. For service exporters, there is no EBRC and only FIRC is enough. However, for goods exporters, EBRC is compulsory for input GST refunds. So, is FIRC mandatory for GST refund? Yes, FIRC is mandatory for claiming GST refunds on exports. Without it, you cannot authenticate your foreign income or claim tax benefits. So, ensure your FIRC matches your export invoices and shipping bills for a seamless refund process. How to claim a GST refund with FIRC? To claim a GST refund, your payment must be in foreign currency verified through FIRC. Submit your GST refund application on the GST portal along with FIRC, export invoice and shipping bills for goods. Ensure all the details match the FIRC. Once verified, the refund will be processed and credited to your linked bank account. To sum up, FIRC or FIRA is an important document for anyone dealing with international payments. With Skydo, you can focus on growing your business while we handle your compliance and documentation. To stay updated with everything related to international payments, do not forget to subscribe to Skydo. Thanks for watching and see you next time.